SoundPeats Air4 unboxing and reviews. It has a USB Type-C cable. It has a user manuals including on the box, plus the main device, SoundPeats Air4. SoundPeats Air4 is a pair of wireless earbuds. They are known for their affordable price and decent sound quality. The earbuds comes with a Bluetooth 5.3, which ensure a stable and fast connection to your device. It has a aptX adaptive lossless audio codecs, plus adaptive hybrid active noise cancellation, plus 6 mics and AI call noise reduction technology, plus multi-phone connection. So saan ka pa? SoundPeats Air4 has a Qualcomm aptX adaptive plus 13mm large dynamic drivers. So guys, check the link below on the description.